Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to pack 8 Corral cereal bowls because you never know when you're going to sell 8 cereal bowls, right? And you can make some money reselling cereal bowls. I'm going to show you step by step how I pack them. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with avante-avenue. If you're new to our channel, my husband Mark and I are resellers on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. And I'm going to show you step by step how to pack some cereal bowls because, like I said, you never know when you're going to sell some. And I invite you to check out my playlist on our channel, avante-avenue, a playlist for pack and ship videos because I've packed all kinds of things. With that said, let's get started. Cereal bowls, Corral cereal bowls. Found these at the Goodwill, blue stripe. I think you're going to be surprised. This is the classic cafe pattern in blue. Paid $6.99 for all, and they sold for full asking price of $39.95 plus shipping. Would you ever guess that Corral cereal bowls could sell for that much? Gotta do your research. I have 8 bowls here. I'm going to separate them into 2 lots of 4. I like to use styrofoam bowls to separate when they work. Let's find out if they're going to work. Yes, that presses down really good. It fits really good to the bottom. So these are going to work out great. So just alternate. And if you have enough of them, you can put one at the top, one at the bottom. Pretty good so far. I have some large bubble wrap. I'm going to cut it in half. I want to fill up this area right here in the center. And I have some stretch wrap. Press that down. And you have a nice little bundle. Let's do the same thing here. And the bubble wrap in the center just gives me something for the stretch wrap to press against rather than sinking in. That's all that's really doing. If you don't have styrofoam bowls, if you don't have stretch wrap, you can separate these with small bubble wrap, and then you can use small bubble wrap to do the first round of protection. But now I'm going to go to large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. I have 2 sheets and another sheet, 12 by 12 square, that I'm going to cut in half. And the reason I'm doing this is that every 12 inches you have a seam, a flattened seam. And I'm going to put this half sheet right on that seam. And then add my bowls. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You could wrap it up this way, but I've discovered that I like turning this upside down, like that. So I'm going to fold this over, and I have enough height in my box that I'm going to let this overlap. Use some masking tape. Fold this down, fold this up, get a nice long piece. Fold that down, fold this up. Again, nice long piece of masking tape. And it's done, except for the final box where we'll add some more. Same thing here. 2 sheets of large 1/2-inch, half a sheet of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. Turn the bowls upside down. Fold this over. Tape it. Fold this down, fold this up. Nice long piece of tape. Sometimes I hold that down. Making it really snug. And just make sure your tape is pressed down. You don't want it to come up. You don't want it to come up on you, so make sure it's pressed down. All right, now, what am I fitting this into? What are my options? It's longer. I can see that it's wider than 12 inches, so we can turn them like this with some extra bubble wrap in the box. This is a USPS box, box number 7. It's kind of a 12 by 12 by 8. Let's do a test fit. As I said, I'm not going to be able to get them side by side. I could put one down and one on its side, or I can go like this and then fill in around them. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So adding some more bubble wrap, cross-laying it. I have 3 sheets and 2 sheets. See how it does. See, they move too much. So let's check the lid. It's a pretty tight fit. Fold this one down. It's a little bit of pressure. I think the reason is I have one too many layers, meaning I'm going to take one of these layers out and go back to this. Yeah, that's going to close up fine. But I need to fill in all these open areas so they don't move around. How do I do that? With air pillows. Now, it's getting a little snug here. You can see I'm having trouble fitting that in. So let's put this here. Still too much movement. I need something down in the sides, but let's go to the corners. Tie 2 air pillows per corner. You can't fit 2, fit 1. I still feel like these can move too much. I can't fit air pillows here, but I can take another sheet of the large 1/2-inch bubble wrap and fit this down in. Okay, now look at this. Yeah, my table's moving, but these aren't moving, so that's really good. I don't know if I got my thank you label on there, so let's put one on right here. We need something for the top. Let's see if another sheet of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. The reason I say 1/2 inch is because a lot of the bubble wrap is not a true 1/2 inch. This is great. This is working out great. I cross-taped and I taped the ends. I taped the side seam and did the same thing to the bottom. And I put the first and last initial, LS-Colorado. That's who it's going to. I always put a sample label on top, including the backing of the label, because this allows for the label and any other stickers that we add. It came in at 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Obviously, USPS is going to charge us for 5 pounds. We can enter it exactly like this if we want, but the truth is USPS will charge for 5 pounds. Estimated for 6 pounds, so I'm good. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.